So I got this idea about installing a Fantastic fan, but using the hardware that's already on the roof, because I really don't want to go messing with this thing and eternal bonding and all that stuff. So I rigged up this contraption to basically bolt on the Fantastic fan on top of the existing vent. It's a little bit of work. The one that I saw, he did it from the inside, but mine is too small on the inside, so it's not going to work. So I decided to put it on top on the outside, and I'm using this kind of like wood frame. It definitely is like a Jimmy rig or a redneck rig, whatever you want to call it right now. But this is what I'm working with, so I'll let you know how it goes. Right now I'm drilling some holes for these screws to go into inside the frame. I already did the other side, and that seems to be holding on pretty well. So now I just need to do this side and go from there. All right, till next time.